Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Let's start. Today we are going to discuss about the top 10 highest paid CEOs in India in the year 2020. India is an incredible company because of its food, festivals, heritage, culture and wonderful places. But one more reason that makes this country even more amazing is its ambitious and successful entrepreneurs. There are a few individuals in the world who are ambitious and brave enough to sacrifice their all to achieve what they have aimed for. Several instances of Indian technological icons and business have made the country proud globally. Here in this video point out the doors of brilliant, opportunistic and wealthy top 12 highest paid CEOs in India who are paving the way of in making their company a brand. India is one of the world's largest democratic and the place where Asia's richest person live. On number 12th position is Vishal Sikka, the CEO of India's second biggest IT administration exporter. Vishal Sikka joined Infosys in 2014, drafted as a full-time chief of the Lodop as the CEO and MD. Vishal's yearly pay was set at $6 million, with investment opportunities worth rupees $5 million. His pay for 2019 was 45.11 crores, comprehensive of a half climb in compensation. And number 12th is Rahul Bajaj. Harvard Business School former Rahul Bajaj assumed control over the Bajaj Group in 1965 and is as of now filling in as the administrator of the combination. He earned pay of rupees 25.59 crores and is likewise one of the highest paid CEO in the world with total assets of $2.4 billion. Number 10th is Mukesh Ambani, richest CEOs in India. Mukesh Dhirubhai Ambani is the administrator, overseeing, executive and biggest investor of Reliance Industries Limited. His total assets are evaluated to be around $36.2 billion. Asia's most extravagant man, Mukesh Ambani earned pay of rupees 15 crores. India is likewise the home to the absolute most highest paid CEO in the world. The world's biggest fair nation and entities up with triumph by their differential, fruitful, scholarly, astute and enthusiastic full personalities. Cash estimation of an individual is carefully taken as a measure one trumps of life. Number 9th is Gunter Buttigieg. Gunter Buttigieg is one of the most hardworking and dynamic CEO of the most prestigious company of India, Tata Motors. He gets a remuneration of around 22 crores rupees for his developmental approach towards the company. Number 8 is Yogesh Chandra Deveswar, CEO of the Indian Tobacco Company or ITC, is one of the fastest moving consumer good industries, well known for its quality assurance and distinctive style. One of India's largest serving CEOs, Yogesh Chandra Deveswar stands at the 8th for best performing CEO of the world, who makes around INR 1 crore every month. Number 7th is Satya Nadella. Microsoft is one of the popular companies which is known by almost everyone in the world. Microsoft has its distinctive functions and features, which is headed by Satya Nadella in India. He gets credited with INR 25.84 crores in his bank account for his great effort and outstanding work towards making Microsoft India a great approach. Number 6 is S.N. Subramaniam. There are no secrets to success. It is just a result of risk management, preparation and hard work. Larsen & Toubro L&T is a company where personal ethics and great professionals are described, and diligence, dedication and growth is demonstrated. S.N. Subramaniam guides L&T against the pay of more than 31 crores INR, which also includes the stock option compensation. Number 5 is Salil Parekh. Determination, persistence and patience makes an invincible package of triumph. Salil Parekh is one such successful leader who have taken Infosys to the next level. The glorified IT company is wonderfully headed by Salil Parekh, and he has credited with 35 crores INR for his excellency. Number 4 is Pawan Munjal. Pawan Munjal is the CEO, MD and chairman of Hero MotoCorp, leading the company commendably by serving customers first. As per Forbes, Pawan Munjal is one of the highest paid CEOs, remunerating about 60 crores per annum INR. Number 3 is Kalanithy Maran. It is said that to have something you never had, you have to do something that no one has done before. Kalanithy Maran is one of the phenomenal entrepreneurs who handles several companies that include Sun Group, Red FM, Sun Pictures, Suryan Limited and Sun Cable Vision. According to Forbes, Kalanithy Maran is the television king of southern India. He is a young and dynamic businessman who marks his presence in the world of entrepreneurship and gets a remuneration of INR 77.9 crores for his commitment and excellence. On number 2 is Gopal Vittal. Bharti Airtel is the third largest telecom service provider in India, which is headed by extraordinary person also known as philanthropist and patron Gopal Vittal. As per the disclosed annual remuneration, it was found that Vittal's earnings were around 169.73 crores in 2018 and 2019. And on number 1 is C.P. Gurnani. Tech Mahindra is one of the top companies in the nation, and the CEO of this company, C.P. Gurnani, has endured great pain for success. Dedication, hard work and intelligence paved the way for this man to get such glory in his hands. C.P. Gurnani credited around 165 crores in his account every year for the wonderful he does. Thank you guys, that's it for today. Hope you like this video, and if you like this video then please like, comment, subscribe and please press the bell button so that you will never miss our future and upcoming videos. Thank you.